Hello and welcome to another video at flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Now in this video I'm going to be introducing the Trace the Dotted Line sheet. Now this sheet is designed for early learners that have not yet practiced uppercase or lowercase lettering. The sheet is designed for them to strengthen up their grip so that they can have an easier time when they do start their uppercase lettering. So the sheet is very simple. There's a start and a finish, and the child simply has to trace the dotted line. Now I recommend the teacher shows them how to do it first anyway, and then the children can have a go after that. And you'll notice that I'm using a marker pen on a laminated version of the sheet. Now I like to do this to save on printing costs, but also children like to use board markers more than pencils, I found, just because they get to erase the board marker. Now, if it doesn't erase quite as easily, you may also use a tissue with some alcohol gel and gently rub it away, and that will get rid of any marks that remain. You'll notice the pen I'm using is quite a thick marker, but you can also purchase thinner board markers which will be better suited for younger children. Now don't forget, you can also print this without laminating and use it just with a normal pencil too, if you'd like to use that. I hope you enjoy the sheet, and please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com to find this and hundreds of other free teaching materials in PDF or JPEG. Thank you very much. Goodbye.